A reliable tactical blade can be your solution for countless scenarios. These tools combine simplicity with versatility for impressive functionality. For those seeking to acquire one, this video guide is designed to assist you. We present 17 exceptional military-grade tactical knives ideal for survival situations and personal protection. Let's begin our exploration. The Smith & Wesson HRT, a full-tang fixed-blade knife, looks simple but deadly. With a 4.75 in dual spear point blade, made from 7CR17 mauve high-carbon stainless steel, it offers excellent cutting power and precision. Featuring blood grooves for added style and performance, the full-tang construction ensures strength and stability during use. Its TPE rubber-wrapped handle provides a secure, comfortable grip even in challenging conditions and includes a lanyard hole for additional carry options. Weighing in at just 0.48 pounds, this knife is easy to handle while delivering power in every cut. For easy carry, it comes with a black leather belt boot sheath, making it a practical companion for tactical or everyday tasks. The Steel SRK folding knife, developed alongside professionals, combines the reliability of a steel knife with the compact convenience of a full-size pocket knife. The blade is made from MagnaCut steel, which excels in edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. With a 4.88 millimeters blade thickness and a 9.9 centimeters length, it's built to deliver. This model also features titanium liners, reducing weight by 20% while enhancing corrosion resistance. Then, the ergonomic GRN handle scales come in black, olive green, or flat dark earth brown. Lastly, the thumb hole and XR lock provide smooth, intuitive operation, while the convertible tip-up clip and striker on the handle add versatility. The Fatboy by Extre Ratio is a decent-sized fixed blade built to withstand tough tasks with a blade length of 8.27 in and a formidable thickness of 8.6 millimeters, weighing in at an impressive 1 kilogram. Crafted from Bowler N690 steel, the blade features a full flat grind and a unique tip design that combines piercing ability with leverage, making it an ideal tool for heavy-duty jobs like splitting, breaching, and even emergency digging. The back of the blade is thick and flat, perfect for hammering or planting pegs. In addition, the handle, made from black G10, is ergonomically designed for comfort. The Fatboy also comes with a versatile black Cordura sheath, equipped with a mole system that's fully adjustable for left or right-handed carry. The MKC Battle Goat is the perfect knife for those who need a balance between combat-ready performance and everyday utility. With 3 3/4 in blade, made from MagnaCut stainless steel, it delivers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The full-tang construction adds to its durability, ensuring it can handle everything from intense combat situations to daily tasks. Measuring 8 in overall with a blade thickness of just 0.127 in, this knife is lightweight at 2.98 ounces, making it easy to carry without sacrificing strength. The Cerakote finish on the blade not only enhances its durability, but also adds a tactical look. Furthermore, the G10 handle is ergonomically designed, providing a solid grip whether you're using a hammer or saber grip. Made in the USA and hand-finished in Montana, the Battle Goat is as versatile as it gets. Tanto knives are inspired by the traditional Japanese knives, and Matt Diskin with Kershaw created a variation that is viable tactically, the LiveWire Tanto. Its 3.3 in CPM MagnaCut blade has excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. Moreover, the Tanto blade shape excels in piercing tasks, while the blackwash finish not only adds stealth, but also masks wear over time. Measuring 8.1 in total length and weighing just 3.1 ounce, this knife is a lightweight option. Then its 661 T6 aluminum handle anodized in black for durability offers a secure, textured grip, and the quick action button ensures reliable, smooth deployment. For convenience, There's a reversible deep carry clip, and it can be used with both hands. The Montana Knife Company V24 Tactical Knife takes inspiration from the iconic V42 dagger, but reimagines it for modern utility and everyday carry. With a 4 1/4 blade crafted from MagnaCut steel, this knife is strong and practical. Then, the overall length of around 9 and ensures easy concealment, while weighing just over 4.2 ounce keeps it lightweight for daily use. Its double-edged blade enhances versatility, while the modified point adds safety by reducing the risk of accidental injury without compromising functionality. Moreover, the handle features texturing that pays homage to the V42's classic stacked leather design. Lastly, accompanied by a secure Kydex sheath, the V24 offers multiple carry options for flexibility. We know how Benchmade's knives dominate the wilderness and tactical scenarios, and no exception with this Benchade Bailout. The sheer power of its premium CPM M4 steel is meant to slash anything on the way, while the green nylon glass polymer handle provides proper grip. And want to know something interesting? The pommel of this superb knife works as an effective striking tool for those demanding situations. If you think a tactical knife list is incomplete without a KBR, then you bet you're not the only one. So, here's the KBR John EK13, a potent tactical knife for those extreme uses. Name and design of this knife were inspired by some mighty knives used back in World War II. A mirror-finished 440C steel blade is present not only to make it look cool, but to perform like one too. Then comes its carved walnut wood handle, reflecting a classy and elegant look while providing users with a steady grip. But you bet anyone will agree that its premium leather sheath takes that elegance to another level. The Microte Luden 3 appeals to both tactical and EDC carriers. It is part of the LOD lineup that is famous for its quick and reliable action. The length of the full knife is around 8 in, and the length of the blade is around 3.5 inches. It is made of Bowler M390 Malawian Quacha steel, a steel that is relatively tougher than most. Then it weighs 3.6 ounces with 0.125 in thickness. So, it can also be concealed carry and has a tip-up pocket clip designed for right-handed users. Lastly, the automatic push-button opener and button lock mechanism provide quick deployment and secure handling, making it a reliable tool for tactical needs. Then we have a SOCP-style knife, the Benchade Mini SOCP. It is the smaller version of the Benchmade SOCP that is tailored for civilian carry. Measuring 6.25 in overall, its 2.22 in single-edge blade provides a more legally friendly option compared to its double-edged predecessors. Crafted from 440C steel with a Cerakote black finish, it looks sleek and discreet. The handle made from a single black-coated piece features a finger ring for enhanced grip and control in tactical situations. The signature feature of SOCP, at 0.175 in thick, the slim injection molded construction ensures a low-profile fit whether you're using the deep carry J-hook clip for inside the waistband or MOLLE attachment. Next, we have the Snarl, a compact fixed blade knife that punches above its weight. Made of 1/4-inch 8 Kurumov steel, its 2.3-inch sheep's foot style blade is perfect for precision tasks. Moreover, its unique handle design, equipped with 2 finger holes and gimping for a variety of grips, offers exceptional control and ergonomic comfort. This makes the Snarl as practical for detailed cuts as it is for general utility work. Its stealthy profile is matched with a hard-molded nylon sheath that provides secure storage and multiple carry options. Whether worn as a neck knife with the included ball chain, clipped onto a belt, or tucked into a boot, the Snarl adapts to your needs. The Emerson Spec War is a versatile one with multiple blade choices to support anyone through an adverse situation. Capable blade steel like S35VN is stonewashed to make this knife one of that actual magnificent money can buy. But that isn't everything, as this knife packs a G10 handle to deliver a perfect grasp regardless of the situation. If sheer durability and toughness is all anyone seeks in a tactical knife, then this Kershaw Launch 11 is for them. Why? Well, this one from Kershaw proudly boasts a CPM 154 blade steel, which is black stonewash to deliver its proper performance. In addition, a bullseye firing button is present for that smoothest and most rapid automatic action on the go. But what else will make you happy is its anodized aluminum handle, which is vital to withstand any harsh condition. If you ever wondered about having a cookery machete, but in the size of a knife, then this RMG Tactical Cookery will surely impress you. With a 10 inches long blade, which is thick enough to chop down the worst, this knife stays in that middle point between a knife and a machete. 80 CRV2 carbon steel is durable enough. While it's less than 2 pounds of weight, keep it in the sweet spot for the most challenging situations. Okay, this TRex knife from Tora Tactical is here to satisfy all those karambit lovers. And unlike any other conventional ones, this karambit comes with a reliable and smooth folding mechanism to keep it low profile. Moreover, its carved blade is made out of high-quality materials to serve like a pro in demanding situations. Now, obviously, it won't replace any other conventional knives in terms of usage, but hey, as a karambit, it won't let anyone down, that's for sure. If anyone is enthusiastic about knives, then they must know how capable this cold Steel SRK is. I mean, there's a reason this knife has been relied upon by military people and survivalists since 2009, right? Outfitted with a durable SK5 steel blade, this fixed blade knife can cut down any challenge anyone can face. Top-notch corrosion resistance and better edge retention are some of its perks, while the Krayak sheath will make anyone handle this easily, regardless of how tough the situation gets. Sometimes mythological designs serve better compared to modern designs. At least that's what Spartan Blades has proven with their double-edged dagger. In collaboration with Bill Harsey, this unique-looking knife delivers practicality in various situations, including tactical, survival, recreational, and self-defense. Made with premium S45 VN high-carbon steel, edges of this knife have a better retention period compared to its competitors. Then come all those special treatments like physical vapor deposition and double deep cryo treatment, making it an overall beast for survival and self-defense. So, that was our list of 17 ultimate military tactical knives for survival and self-defense.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.